Well, hello everyone and welcome back to Express.com. I'm Jason and today we're going to be jumping into the world of bathroom design. Well, let's not actually jump considering all the emergency room visits due to bathroom injuries, but we are going to just mosey on into that bathroom. Now, if you're looking to revamp your space, you're in the right place, and let's explore the top 3 trends happening in bathroom cabinets. First up on our list is all about maximizing space. With the modern day hustle and bustle, organization is key. Now just take a look at these sleek pull-out shelves designed to add easy access to toiletries and cleaning supplies. Starting with these pull-out baskets, these are perfect for storing towels, keeping them within reach and ready for when you need them most. No more honey, could you reach me that towel as you slowly drip dry, realizing that you are divorced and no one is grabbing that towel for you. Now, if you want to get a little more basic, check out these innovative pull-out racks, all of the space savings at a budget-friendly price. Now let's talk about that bathroom jewelry. Knobs and handles. These small details can make a big impact on the overall aesthetic. It's all about adding that personal touch and injecting some bling into your space. Embrace unique materials like brass, matte black, or even crystal for a touch of luxury, and mix and match styles to create a customized look that reflects your personality. And don't be afraid to experiment with different shapes and sizes to complement your bathroom's design. Now, last but certainly not least, drawer slides. The smooth function of a drawer is essential, and the right drawer slide can make all of the difference. Soft close drawer slides for a quiet and gentle closing mechanism. Full extension slides for easy access to the entire contents of your drawers. Undermount slides for a sleek and clean look, keeping the focus on your bathroom's design. There you have it, folks. Let me know which trend is your favorite in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more home improvement tips. Until next time, happy renovating.